Thanksgiving is around the corner and I have a sweet delicacy for you guys that you can enjoy with your family. So let's see the recipe for chocolate mousse trifle. In this recipe, there are about 3 to 4 elements or 3 to 4 layers. There is cake, there's chocolate mousse, there's chocolate ganache, there's whipping cream. Alright, so now I'm going to start with whipping some cream. I have over here 200 grams of cream. Start whipping it on high speed. The whipping cream is done. Make sure it's in a frozen state when you start whipping it. Take some whipping cream in a spoon, give it a jerk. If it doesn't fall, that means the cream is ready. Or else, take the spoon and make it stand in the cream. If it stands straight, that means it's ready. And now, time to make the chocolate mousse. In a bowl, add in 100 grams of chopped cooking chocolate. Add in 2 tablespoons of cream. In a pan, boil some water. Once the water starts to boil, place the chocolate and the cream bowl over it. Keep stirring and let it melt. The chocolate is melted. Make sure there are no lumps. Let's turn off the flame and get this bowl out from the hot pan. Stir it well and just let it cool down for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the chocolate is slightly melted, we're going to add half the quantity of the whipping cream, and the remaining half you can fill it up in the piping bag with a nozzle. Fold this in very carefully. Let's fill it up in a piping bag. Keep this piping bag in the freezer for around 20 minutes. The chocolate mousse is chilling in the freezer. The whipping cream is also chilling in the fridge. And now it's time to make the chocolate ganache. I already showed you a way to melt chocolate and cream over double boiler. Now I'm going to do it in a microwave. So you know both the methods how to do it. So take around 50 grams of cream. Add in 100 grams of chopped chocolate. Mix everything well and microwave this for 30 seconds. Remove, stir again and microwave for 10 to 20 seconds if you feel the need. The chocolate ganache is ready. Make sure you whisk it till it's nice and smooth. Let it come down to room temperature. I have 400 grams of chocolate sponge over here, and now I'm going to start layering this dessert. The first layer that goes in is the chocolate sponge. Just break it into pieces and push it down to just slightly flatten it. I have a coffee syrup here. Just add a little bit over the cake to flavor it and to keep it nice and moist when it goes in the refrigerator to set. Spread a nice thick layer of the chocolate mousse over this. Next, I have some butterscotch balls over here. Scatter some in the center as well, so you get a nice crunch when you bite into the layers. Pipe some whipped cream. Pour some chocolate ganache over it. Again, pipe some whipped cream for the last layer. Sprinkle some cocoa powder. Garnish with your favorite fruit. Some mint leaves. Add some cranberries. Make sure you chill this dessert till you're ready to serve. Do give this gooey, decadent, delicious, colorful dessert a try for your next Thanksgiving party, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.